Well, another reason to have be off grid, because there is no power. Light doesn't come on. It's a good thing we have 12-volt lighting, except for that one lamp. Where's the switch? Come on, it's not that dark. I know it's not that dark. Come on. Oh, doesn't work. Why is it so dark? There we go, sort of. Yep, all that stuff is off. No, battery backup's not on right now. It's going crazy. Yay! Independent lighting. This storm is crazy. It's totally windy. Open up the window. And raining a whole lot. This isn't even the windy side. Over on the other side. Oh, there is bright lightning.
Significant weather advisory for northeastern Ada, southwestern Boise, and south central Gem counties until 8:45. Of course, it's well after that. It's just getting to us, obviously.
Yeah.
But at 8:22, Doppler radar was tracking a gust front near Boise, moving north at 35 miles per hour, and we're due north of Boise. So wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour will be possible with this storm. The strong winds will be near, it says Eagle, Hidden Springs, and Bogus Basin around 8:40. And now here it is here, an hour later. Oh. It says, when safe to do so, please relay storm reports to the National Weather Service in Boise via local law enforcement or National Weather Service Boise Facebook and Twitter accounts.
It's crazy. And back out the window. Lots of lightning. And here's the windy side. If it is, it's still pretty windy. Not as windy as before. Ooh, that's some good light or thunder. Woo, that one was bright. Gonna have to cut a lot out in this video. See if we can get any lightning. I think it's starting to calm down. Oh, there was some lightning right over the screen or the camera. That was weird. It was like thunder before. That never heard thunder like that before. So much lightning, but you can't see any of it on the camera. Whew. Oh my gosh, I can't see. There's like an echo. I have the camera on a pole that we have for internet. It is grounded. Well, it should be grounded good. And it's the tallest thing around except for the trees across the street. Whew. Not as much wind anymore. Sheesh, it's so bright. What? That was right in front of the camera. Didn't even pick it up. Ah, you can't even see that light. Sheesh. Wow. That thunder's amazing. Jeez. And it's pretty much gone. Thanks for watching.